Jay Biddies, just Shula's guide, you know. Well, ni Shula's guide, Shula's fast cane, like my Makaji Toparain, to be my Shula Fabbage a height, no mat. The machine I usually go for not a short walk, but to be a shorter video. My walks are typically around 40 minutes. Height, 40. Jim would you hide the child in the seer. That's Caracha, Erechi. Jeffrey sounds like a guy that need it in a ram in the shinyo. Then we just start on a wash to ride. It must have been raining last night. And you got a row on that, you got a row from I don't think it's too heavy. Than space or scammalach. It's just about tash, after shatter. It's tash, after shatter. It's damp, but it's dry. That's niet someone here lesson. Been a rudder to oxymoron I remember about. That's what you call an oxymoron in English. You might keep your band in the Hadechi. I didn't have a wash there, well, it's not raining anyway. Need to wash there. Neil in the wash there. It's not raining anyway. That's A-R, then A-O-N, as a chin, C-H-A-O-N. Sam Kylie. Anyways, like. I need to wash it. It's not raining anyway. Need to wash it. I need Sunday. Need to wash it. I need to fix a couple of bull on the chin. You can see a few puddles. Bull on. Jam with your bull on the chin. Gotcha, into bull on. Puddle. Gonna mar a sack at the church at Lochan. The charger with your bull on. The show bull line, isn't it? You told the girl with the bug, the girl bull line we got. That's a small bull line. That's a small puddles. And there's a camera buggy smooth chin, hey, come on, Mach na Wellingtons are tennis fan, I lay my jacket in the spray. I thought you Kylie Burger, cha. Neil Wellingtons are in there. She's not wearing the Wellingtons today, the runners. But I knew a have and up chin. Name of some lot. Those runners wouldn't be any good jumping in the puddles in the bull line. You need the Wellingtons. How Wellingtons eke? She does have Wellingtons. Anyways, Shat Shamagalor, to sort of go on as I chat him up and my girl Machashula Jadishan is journey budget heart to the cook in the mushroom. Hopefully it stays dry because I'll be wanting to go for a walk again around 5 o'clock. The mushroom. Rivers are over. The cook look at 5 o'clock is a nice time. I'll be with just tuned. Things are nice and quiet here around 5 o'clock onwards. Because it's a full scale. It's still bright. But chulle heart in this chulle heart and who the jar which I guide Dorochalua. You'd notice it every week now. That it gets noticeably darker sooner. I guide Dorochan Nisloch in Nistushke. Nisloch Marshal, heart at a coog. Bitch, I Dorochan is heart that. Go back, bitch, Rouse shaft, the look, bitch, well, bitch, I guide you to the heart of the shaft. It starts to get dark around 7. It's in bitch, I'm out of the heart of the shaft, and it's kind of pretty much pitch black by around 7:30. Marshal, as I said to the coog is a shay. The coog is a shay, it's not just on my shoes. Between 5 and 6, that's a nice time to go for a walk. Maybe just Maraduch, maybe just fuss. Maraduch, as I said, Maraduch, which are full scale, for example. Which are full scale, like a shade, like a cool, is a shade. It's an art allows a shade, in Chester Tidies for Torocha. As a tin gun, with a like no matter, which I got a which are dot Torocha. So dot Torocha, so if you want to say pitch black, you'd say do Torocha. Like D-U-B-H, Torocha, pitch black. Oh, bitch, I don't Torocha, get out of shaft. Oh, it's pitch black at 7:30. Louter shaft, louter shaft. It's pitch black at louter shaft, like 7:30, pitch black. I was being say, and it does be, BJ. I don't dúlan it is the dúlan tá se sin ná just nach cosna an bór te farigi hír na farigi móra. It protects the road. It's a natural barrier. Sort clay. It's clay mór mílteach. It's like a big stone wall, big clay, giant clay, as big as the giant clay of China, as big as the Great Wall of China. I think it's a mage clock. See the amount of stones there. Neelis Kimage bowler. No, untold many bow boulders. That's like a gym. This isn't those gym. That's like a gym. That's full of weights. And you have to gym a bit. I think that's in the you can lift a lot of those stones. You can do deadlift squats in the gumpen clochasin, get overhead pressing in the curls in the clochasin. Yes, and gym a bit. Jack clocha. Into needs can make clochas muffin air. Muffin air no jet a clay hotel. Jet a clay hotel, jet a barn ordo, jet a barn lagan. You can knock a wall down, build a wall. That's a great workout. Or you can do squats with the stones. And he has to gym a bit. Share my kind into Quinchy Boo Boo or Sunny. Quinchy Boo Boo or Sunny. Nachlin Boo Boo. Nachlin Sunny Boo Boo. Bed go bhá mu sinna níor macht tena sort fi an gaiide teach. Teach sort beidir go main siptain of us siúla in Angelum. Maybe enjoy the walks here. You might feel like you're in the Gaeltacht and the strongest Gaeltacht. One of the strongest Gaeltachts in the world, in the country, in Aiden. Child in the Sire, in an Oren. One of the strongest Gaeltachts. So you're coming on a walk with me in the strongest, arguably the strongest Gaeltacht in the country. But I just think it's it's very unusual landscape. So I hope you're enjoying the show lads. There's a bunch of a show lads in each. Carcalor Marsha, Page of Arkham with the Chinet, I'm a couple of no right. I think I've said enough now. Shnay Marsha, when Hainigus Sunny, I guess a kind bag of chin. My Jabe, I guess long of old.